Welcome to the software journey with GKey. Power BI classes with real-time interview questions and answers. Class 24. How do you create hierarchies in Power BI?
In this part of training, we are going to discuss about how to create hierarchies in Power BI. A hierarchy in Power BI allows you to drill down from higher level field to lower level field, that is year, quarter, month and day. Here year is the higher level and day is the lower level. Coming to other example, like bikes is a higher level, mountain bike and road bike is second level, and mountain bikes and these are subcategories in mountain bikes, and road bikes are like bike RD200, something like that. These are the different levels that we can see in real times for coming to the bike sales or something. And to create the hierarchy, this is the diagram. This is how we are going to create a hierarchy in Power BI. Steps to create hierarchies in Power BI. First method would be create hierarchy from the field span most common. Here we can go to the fields, right click on top level column, that is year or category, select hierarchy. Power BI create hierarchy and adds the selected fields to the first level, and drag additional fields like quarter, month, day into the hierarchy used in the visuals like drill down and drill down. Coming to the example of hierarchy, like date hierarchy, year, quarter, month and day, this kind of hierarchy is going to be created by using the first method. And second method is auto date hierarchy in Power BI. It is a built-in option when date columns are enabled for auto date type. Power BI automatically creates hidden hierarchy like this, year, quarter, month. To do that, we have to get into the file options, data, load, auto, date time. We have to enable this option. That I'll show you once we get into the practical things. Drag a field like month onto year. Power BI automatically creates a hierarchy. Rename hierarchy. We can rename the hierarchies as well. Why hierarchies used in Power BI? Enable drill down in charts. If you want to enable any drill down and drill up kind of things, we have to create hierarchies like year, month and day. That I'll show you practically in Power BI desktop level. Makes visuals cleaner and easier navigations. Helps user analyze multiple granularities. Granularity means year is the highest granularity and day is the lowest granularity when it comes to the date fields. It is essential for time intelligence and product geography reporting kind of stuff. Coming to the interview kind of a question, hierarchies in Power BI are created by right-clicking a field in a field pane, selecting creating hierarchy and adding more fields to build a drill down level like year, quarter, month and a day. Let us see these things practically in Power BI. I'm in Power BI desktop. I have loaded two Excels, which one is financials, which is having individual fields like year, month and date. Here quarter is missing, that we can create the quarter as well. In product sales, this is another sheet that I have taken. Here we are having category, product name and subcategory and sales amount. First we'll see how to create financial sales. And here to have a hierarchy, year, quarter, month, date or something, we have to create the quarter as well. For that I'm just creating a new column here. By clicking on financials, create new column. Otherwise you can go for create new column option also here available. I'm trying to create quarter column here, and for this format I'm clicking and financials, date. On this I'm trying to create a quarter field here. Another quarter column has been created. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a hierarchy here. To create a hierarchy, we have to find the highest granularity. Here is the highest granularity. On this I'm trying to create a hierarchy. Right click on here and create hierarchy. Now the hierarchy has been created. I'm trying to renaming it. I'm trying to rename it as date hierarchy. Now I have created the date hierarchy. See, to add the different values, now I have created the hierarchy on year. To add things on this, what I have to do is I have to take the quarter next. Right click on quarter, add hierarchy. Now it has added to the hierarchy, and month name also I'm trying to add it to the hierarchy. In this way, year, quarter, month hierarchy has been created. I'm just taking a simple visual like this. A simple visual I'm trying to take. I'm taking date hierarchy and of a profit I'm trying to see here. See, this is the hierarchy has been created based on the profit and the hierarchy column that I have taken. Now the hierarchy is in sum of profit by year. This for 2000. In this way you can have the clear picture. 2013 and 2014 data we are having. If you want to drill down, you have to click on this thing. Now it is on the quarter wise details you are going to see, and month wise details you are going to see. In this way you can drill down and drill up. In these kind of scenarios, we are going to create different hierarchies based on our requirement. I think you got some idea about how to create hierarchies based on date columns. For example, there are different date columns available. Without manually creating the hierarchies, if you want to enable the hierarchies, for that there is an option available in Power BI desktop. You have to go to files, at options and settings. In options, the options are going to data load. Here, auto date time for new files. For example, if you're loading any file, if you enable this option, if you have year, date or something values, it is automatically going to create the date hierarchy. Now for creating manual hierarchies, I disabled this option. You can enable this option. If there are date columns, the hierarchies are going to be created automatically by default by having this option enabled. And coming to the next, product sales. Here also, if you want to create a hierarchy based on a product category and a subcategory and a product, something like that, then first I have to create hierarchy on category. Now subcategory I have to add to the category, and finally product name also I'm going to add to the category. See, now category, subcategory and product name, this is the hierarchy. It has been created. I'm just changing it to product hierarchy. If I want to create on this visual, if I want to use this hierarchy, I can take this hierarchy and sales amount I'm taking. In this way also you can drill down and drill through. Now the category wise sales, these are the accessory sales, so this is electronic sales, so this is the furniture sales. If you want to drill down further, and you have to click on it, these are subcategories like chairs, keyboards or laptops. And if you want to go to the product wise, Dell Inspiron, these are the different products. These are the different levels, and drill down and drill up you can go for by using these options. In this way you can create a manual hierarchies. If there are date columns or something, if you want to have them by default by taking the source data, you can enable that in options. Here in a data load, you can go for auto date type. This works for date columns. If you have other things like this, you have to manually create the hierarchies. I think you got some idea about hierarchies and why hierarchies are used in Power BI. Hierarchies are mostly used to drill down and drill up the data from higher granularity to the lower granularity to see the data based on that. Thank you.
Follow us on YouTube, LinkedIn, Instagram and Facebook. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. Join the GKey community and grow your IT profession with us.